Welcome to diagtechpro.com, your trusted source for professional diagnostic and service tools. In this video, we'll walk you through the installation process of Service Ranger version 4.13, the latest and most reliable diagnostic solution for Eaton systems and heavy-duty trucks. The installation is quick and simple. Before you begin, make sure your computer runs Windows 10 or Windows 11, and that you have at least 500 megabytes of free disk space. We recommend 1 gigabyte for smooth operation. Download the installer provided by diagtechpro.com, then launch the setup file. Follow the on-screen steps to complete the installation. The software will automatically configure all required communication drivers and the database components, ensuring the tool is ready for immediate use. Both the database and interface language are fully in English, designed for global users. Once installed, simply connect your diagnostic adapter and start running tests. No extra configuration needed. Your license is valid for 2 years, giving you uninterrupted access to all professional features and updates. At diagtechpro.com, we're proud to provide the latest Service Ranger 4.13 with full installation support and global compatibility. Visit our website today to get your license and experience premium diagnostic performance. Service Ranger 4.13, powered and supplied by diagtechpro.com.